Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Nike Run Club account and access all the features this fitness app offers, follow these simple steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Download the Nike Run Club app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already installed it on your device. Step 2. Open the app and tap on the Sign Up button to create a new account or log in if you already have Nike credentials. Step 3. Enter your email address when prompted during the sign-up process. Make sure to use a valid email that you can access immediately. Step 4. After completing the initial registration, Nike will send a verification email to the address you provided. Check your inbox for this email. Step 5. Open the verification email from Nike. The subject line will typically say, "Verify your Nike account" or something similar. Step 6. Click on the verification link contained in the email. This will redirect you back to the Nike Run Club app or website and automatically verify your account. Step 7. Return to the Nike Run Club app and log in with your verified credentials. You should now have full access to all features. Step 8. Complete your profile by adding personal information such as your running goals, preferred distance units, and other settings to personalize your experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.